Hello, people. On this moment day, your experience telecommunications contacts were not wrong. Just say I need to make this live streaming. Actually, this recording also on my ordinary. Context say it is about filing courtesy 6661 discovery for international publish also about me as founder of Triple Six in the world on the courtesy ordinary life of myself. The contact conversations about me also doing live streaming as meaning. Context say Triple Six by my discovery definitely already being recognized and quite famous on internet global wide. Kind of busy on my neighborhood very sound. I mean, I'm trying for my particular. Actually, I'm doing monologue again on this moment. I want to say hi also to Alien Family God on international. contacting made by myself on this calendar. And just for remind, it's already 2021. Since 2008 we already get connected from my internet. Actually, my address is from County Unisa, actually not Sumatra Province, Town Medan. And I already experienced this moment phenomenon since years before 2008. Actually, I'm definitely doing my sense activism on this progress momentum since 2008, because also this experience case actually based my observation since that years. Definitive public international conspiracies of carnage behold, but there seems none interest for talking about. And also about national counter initiative in stations networking also included for the momentum. 2008, I mean, I'm on my library, I mean, on my zone territory room, quite non-comfort actually because the situations with, I mean, in also supernatural phenomenon still craving myself, see, for the video, I mean. And I want to say hi also context to international social media Bigo context for them also on this day. Hi. Actually, I already include for my early life journeys in 2010, 2008 context similar with them. Bigo International Bigo contact from government countries or some police department also for them. Say need this conference actually contact very quiet and also still need particular still need anchoring by myself on this request. 6661 got to score framing on this calendar, get connected again, and say visual contact experience going to be responsible for the next estafette or authority actually. Basic actually also context say about conversations just before 2008. Alan Francis Human already doing conversations, particular about appointment and this was got 666, got Human commanding groups from Greek, got Millennium Futuristic. That already happened on these years, 2020, 2015, or this moment also, 2021. Context say on Europe and also America and Islam, Arab and Israel. Conversation already made with alien of family gone. Definitive on courtesy of files on Internet Global for the interview or next also files by exclusive connection trust alien family gone on international. 666 on the scarf remaining based context say definitively continue momentum appointment with the secrecy numbering of people they're already being discovery being a statement by myself since this previous years 2015, 2020, 2021. Context say also these quiet non-equipment tools similar with telephone but need a courtesy or statement International by the ID 666 on police conflict. Already made it on this made it. Okay, hello everybody. I'm from the Missouri Country Tunisia again. I want to remind about that. And this experience also include my early life interaction social neighborhood also. There are very indication on attitude or history or about activity secrecy supernatural by their customs ethnic locale. Contact say from also national Java or island Java Jakarta. I mean. Indonesian county government and politicians are there. Connection about Black voting into the ID 6661 for this confirming since year 2008. Context said there's the two situation condition and already being posted by 6661 for this confirming to the moment progress. Continuing existence case until this is 2021. And then finally got definitive my trust Arab International for the moment appointment or alibi about my discovery normally called people. 666 Islam, 666 Trinity Christianity, 666 Buddha Gita, 666 Kingdom in the World, 666 Holy Spirit Destiny with explanations, my struggling existential case supernatural among social, being a proof, being agreement, being assessment by alien family God on international. Interview and conversation with countries, Europe and America already made by them, alien Francis Human, since years before 2008. Contact also say the appointment map of the beast international or it goes to my 666 this conference 666 one conference conference on this progress. That's include also best context say for about my money reward 22 trillion rupiah that being accumulated by association international for about this momentum. Supernatural being pioneering the case by the ID 6661 for this conference. Context says support for my reward to name one for them, myself, with total nominal 22 trillion rupiah that being accumulated, being associated for the appointment decorations. Ellen Fund International want ownership safe national money logo, number of people in the world. Definitive will about my patent actually context say or being approved, being agreed by Ellen Family itself. So alien Amorter General National Ethereum Galactica on this day millennium and also so alien state on United States of America. Particular self and what Anchor find an RE6661 for the scarf remaining also for the Stafet Composition International. Alien finally got want decoration about their existence in national money logo 666 goes to an RE6661 for the scarf. Context say also for the patent independence alien family gun on international. Context say international include also group each others or include formal agreement or contacting consensus as meaning context say similar with that people's group social domestic of them include also for this momentum. For supporting decoration, alien family ownership, national money logo, numbering of people, patent 666 Islam, 666 Buddha Gita, context Asia countries include also about that. Thailand, context seems from Bangkok, Thailand or Pattaya town, Pattaya, context is similar with that. And also girls and people from Japan. Context say Japan's also fans for about Alien finally got connections internet 666 ICDM on this plane. Okay. I'm recognized for the telecommunications contact. Kind of absurd, but I'm trying for getting here about the telecommunication happening. Context also from Myanmar, Madam Aung San Suu Kyi. Hello there, and I'm hoping for the moment struggling situation national getting better by the coalition or group in charge there. Myanmar and also about the domestic national leadership also. Madam Aung San Suu Kyi context seems similar with that. And also support also by countries and others as also Africa continents counts there supporting alien fund decorations momentum on this millennium. Existence in National My Logo 666 actually already began for the conversation since years before 2008 on Europe between alien family and countries on Europe. But about alien ownership asset actually, alien family money bank money account ownership actually. Attribute status owner for Europe also for the momentum before. Context or the conversation for about waiting appointment next also. Refund number for people. For about alien family next money logo. Context Allen family actually already own attribute as owner or foundation for my countries on international. Context for about also pound sterling England British pound sterling. And also context about the money logo euro also context euro as money logo actually also for about attribute ownership and foundation to alien family card. Waiting appointment next to my logo 666, the true 666 on Bible and Al-Quran. Context definitive already being agreed by Alien Family God goes to Internet ID 6661 for the scarf railing and want to maintain for the publications by particularly sustained by Internet ID 6661 for the scarf railing also. Context but about then also this moment conference needed. Live courtesy or live streaming monologue by myself. Just get connection, contact happening, say United States, America also got connected, connection trust on this moment, need confirmation tolerance by 6661 for the scarf remaining also. So alien state or what about alien farming domestic residents, America, each country is also supporting 6661 for the scarf remaining conference on this day. Thank you guys. Quite noisy actually, but context is about improvement or alibi for Internet ID 6661 for the scarf remaining also. What about the appointment being achieved to this moment progress years after years also as meaning. Context also Ellen family got or the female alibi for this progress. So also the names each other or the reflected by say for about called National Ethereum Galactica also. Experience phenomena supernatural on this millennium, suspect identity to human commanding goes to grave. Definitive already being agreed together between countries and want repositions, contact, appointment next to alien family god because about historical humanity also going to future. Context human civilization, human civilization through countries actually already conversation with alien family god. What about human commanding goes from grave or supernatural authority on Europe and again America, and therefore want to continue about that. So this momentum 666 on discovery meaning made for his statement claim on international internet global worldwide as meaning. Okay, I'm trying again to make my conference telecommunications. I'm on my country domicile address Indonesia actually. Context there are set code also Java or about Bill Ganjang need to be conference also need to be particular on this moment. Required non-comfort. I mean noisy, very crowd on my ear. Since from local peoples also, context seems want to include on this moment conference and stay got connected with crazy peoples on the streets. Since from the telecommunications very random on these moments they also crazy peoples are about the unauthorized connection telecommunication happening also. 6661 got a scarf framing gate want to say my 666 want to be claimed, want to be confirmed, sustained by international interests on this progress. Support for decorations existed in my logo alien family gun. The my logo 666 patent 6661 got a scarf framing going to be included on chart international forex global also context say similar with that. Allen family guard status as chairman Inc. also 6661 for the scarfing together signature for producing product real my logo 666 on international 666 as my logo going into on basic confession also for about alien family guard clip our asset to internet also. Context still need to be maintained by international countries for supporting alien family tribute on this millennium. My logo 666 on international 6661 for scarf family again on this moment monologue non-live streaming actually recording. I want to say this conference the considers to about international execution also. Alien family guard need to be protection by countries or their connection exclusive also. For the momentum, appointment decoration existence my logo 666 being involved by unresponsible peoples. Context says 666 Congress government just need to make conference for status patent about the 2666 in the world on this moment also. 666 on Bible and Al-Quran and definitive for the truth for about the basic pioneering discovery numerical Bible, pioneering the existence case supernatural on the moment. 2008, 2010, 2015 until this is 2021. Context here definitive on many alibi by peoples among countries actually. Experience telecommunication contact body supernatural definitive happen and prank each others want the conference by the RE6661 called scar framing for and calling about that. 6661 called scar framing contact also about conversations need to be from religious also to about alien family appointment. Next journey on this millennium, economic people need to be support and also about the status as self-government for national money logo 666 on international. Newcomers on chart international forex with basic confessions my logo actually to about claim alien family on attribute as a chairman or foundation to internet global. Code digital money, code forex global and also about things about that. Computer, internet, affairs, APK and also another product or economy. Context here, alien family actually honor for their assets until this is 2021, not just about internet, but another equipment or product economy also include to alien family ownership. 6661 Koriska Framing experience terror supernatural happen and say definitive quite dangerous for 6661 Koriska Framing. Non-responsible people from local neighborhood address 6661 Koriska Framing also quite noisy for the moment experience. 6661 got scarf remaining. Context also on reward money for accumulate status as Stockholm International Money Logo 666. But about nominal total 22 trillion rupiah also. Claim or rebate by Internet ID 6661 got scarf remaining on Internet Global. Since years before 2020, years 2015, 2012, actually originating since 2008, quite busy on Internet Global, very quiet for noisy. I mean, actually kind of noisy actually. 6661 Kariska framing contact Internet Global and still conversation also with my family. My parents also, General Adipana Merdeka. Contact say he owns staffs also include for target or about investigations. Experience telecommunications contact body supernatural from national country Indonesia government and iconic chambers. Include also parents name Irwan Cornell, Jenderal Adibana Merdeka, Pangkostrat RPK G30 SPK. Konteks yang similar with that. 6661 Koriska remaining on this moment again. This conference live courtesy already needed by international for files or publications, agreement contacting with 6661 Koriska framing. I'm very hoping for my security or my protection for this aurora. I mean, this phenomena supernatural still happening on my already. Very non-comfort for the moment next. Live to be attention by people's international also. Not to be disturbed my already actually. 666 in the word already affirmative. That's the word. Okay, already being confirmation I mean by myself on this moment. 666 by Ellen for International Alibi and contact also about money reward for myself 22 trillion rupiah already being considered for include status as Stockholm International made it for that about money logo 666 in the world. Patent 666 ICDM definitive directions official to alien family gun. Alien family safe, none another. Definitive assembly produced and office also include alien family connection trust international, such also Islam countries, Arab, Israel and Emirat. context also Asia countries and Europe also for about America also, as Ellen found publications preconditions for pre-launching also by Internet ID 6661 for Scaffolding Conference. Context actually single directions to Ellen Family God, Ellen Family Self. Ellen Family on self foundations and just need promote publications by Internet ID 6661 for Scaffolding. For the declaration existence in national money logo self, symbol money 666 in the world, 666 on Bible and Al-Quran. For the assembling factory producing product my logo, direction to Ellen Family Self, single directory and context on connection trust for the territory supported to Islam countries also, Islam, Arab and Emirat in Israel and through countries and other also. Context for the existence in national Malago 666 actually already been conversation between alien family self with the connection trust on international. Definitive just need precondition promoted pre-launching by Internet ID 6661 for the framing. Foundation actually direction to alien family self. National UFO context also definitive up level can be reached by public for conversations with Islam context similar with that. Ellen found a single direction for the assembling decorations existence in national money logo 666. Or patent or reclaim sustained by Internet ID 666 on the framing. Text 666 ICDM will include on product my logo 666 on the momentum. For licensee about my logo 666 original in the world on this millennium or since this millennium to future. The circulation or about the utility used actually by Ellen Family Self to counties for the confessions ownership self national money bank account or money logo self 666 need to be attributed and declared for published on international or made on internet by 6661 for the scarf family. So also about this moment conference also context the my logo 666 actually direction for about Ellen file ownership assets on international about chart international forex also going to include my logo 666 actually. But then 666 ICDM, Allen Family ownership about digital money or internet global also goes to Allen Family. Context this about also Allen Family continue victories on international millennium. Allen Family interest war international support also for about next appointment then about refill number in Covivo 666 in the world. That's all for this moment courtesy non-live streaming happening 666 on Scout framing context also there is just need straight for the status Holy Spirit destiny also in the same time need to be published conference through this moment calendar also. Meaning about a struggling existence case futuristic human commanding ghost and grade got 666 and also about stars attribute alien incarnation human to alien amarter general national ethereum graphica decoration proclamation existence in national malego 666 alien family and also about that contact happen and to this moment need to be made a particular. Thank you very much 666 one for the scout for remaining. From this moment progress in 2008, people can search for the updates or information on internet, global social media actually, Google and Facebook also, and YouTube also. Context Ellen finally got definitive hoping for about international understand about Ellen family interest to be independence on this moment. Declaration Existentie Ellen Family Ownership National Mile Logo 666 for all countries actually. Independence Ellen Family Guard for the ownership National Mile Logo 666. And about the patent, straight definitive goes to Internet RD 666 is a damn. None another. Going to be included as text on money product my logo 666 at the moment. 666 ICDM, patent for about the 2666 in the world. Ellen Family Ownership. 6661 for the scout evening. Thank you very much. Very many for the statement, testimony, and conference on internet social media on this progress. You can also Pinterest and Twitter also, and then also Blogspot, WordPress.com also, and Wix.com also, and another. Can be found there and need to be confirmation back again to Ellen Family actually for next trust conversation and appointment agreement about this momentum millennium phenomenon. 6661 got a scarf evening. Thank you very much and see you again on my next internet. Declaration Proclamation Ellen Family Existence National My Logo 666 only made by particular Internet ID 666 ICDM. Definitive the 3666 in the world. Assalamualaikum and Shalom. Om Swantiasu and Bodhisattva. Quite disturbed on this moment, very non-comfort. I believe, suspect, definitive get connected in time on the moment experience telecommunications contact body happening. I believe similar with that. So also this moment quite complicated for the execution momentum, but I'll recontact about this moment experience on Internet Global. I believe they get connected in time through this moment also. Thank you. Crazy peoples with them also. Context very clear about that. There go also about crazy peoples on the street. Government also include with them and very quiet for the ordinary conversation live with the connection with others. Thank you very much. Ellen Family God is my primary alibi and will be proved by international Islam countries. For the status of the 2666 in the world, appointment Sharia Islamia and also about international connections, Ellen Family for the next appointment continue on this millennium. National My Logo 666, Ellen Family Ownership, self-independence, non-include for another conspirations, definitive Ellen Family self, patent 66 SDM and support contacted by countries, Asia countries and also America and Europe and Islam countries also contact also about Africa continents. Thank you very much and see you again on my next internet.